weather is so unpredictable nowadays, I can't even imagine ACs cooling efficiently in these diverse ambient conditions.
You don't know about LG's AI dual inverter technology?
No, I don't. But seriously, how could that help in this situation?
Let me explain to you how it works and then you will know. The AI dual inverter can predict the appropriate cooling conditions due to its ability to sense not only the weather but the room conditions and hence choose the required fan speed, wind position and temperature settings.
Really? Wow! This sounds like perfect AC which automatically cools as per user requirement.
And that's not all. With an intelligent logic of ADC sensor, dual rotary compressor, hyper capacity 4-way swing, it's an AC which makes cooling highly comfortable and can uniformly cool any room.
That's just the AC we all need. LG Dual Cool Air Conditioners.
Life's good.
Hi, I just bought a new AC online and I'm here to tell you all about it. Presenting LG's AI dual inverter split AC which has a streamlined design that will surely catch your attention. Available to you in 3 capacities with 3 and 5-star energy saving ratings. When you purchase LG air conditioners, you get 1 indoor unit, 1 outdoor unit, interconnecting pipe, 1 remote, 2 manuals with warranty card and 2 batteries. LG's dual inverter air conditioners with variable tonnage technology are now smarter with the addition of artificial intelligence. The AI dual inverter predicts not only the appropriate cooling capacity but also senses room conditions and cools accordingly. With AI Convertible 6-in-1, you get the flexibility to increase or decrease cooling capacity as per your requirement with its AI Convertible mode and inbuilt sensors. Its special ocean black protection applied on the copper tubes in both the indoor and outdoor units provides exceptional durability. The ocean black fins offer unbeatable protection against fin corrosion for longer product life. LG's AC comes with ADC safety sensors which makes them highly durable, safe and ensures stable performance. It has an easy to clean HD filter that removes harmful substances such as pollen, pet dander, dust mites and particles as small as 10 micrometers in size. Now see the display only when you want to with LG's Magic Display. Once the desired temperature is selected, it quietly dims, adding to the unit's aesthetics. The horizontal and vertical swing action ensures better airflow while giving uniform cooling. When selecting the Comfort Air option, it conveniently sets the AC lure to a 70-degree or 20-degree position so that outflowing air is directed away from the room occupants. LG AI Dual Inverter AC comes with a 1-year warranty on the product, 5 years warranty on PCB and 10 years warranty on the compressor with gas charging. You can buy this product on Amazon and bring home a fantastic cooling experience.